Woo! It's a Compton. It stole a hat. Then you ran to the beach. And that's what you do well.
Are y'all bagging? Look, I'm the center of attention, low. Look, and we fucking all the baddest hoes. And we the center of attention, low. And we fucking all the baddest hoes. Now get it from there. Go.
Look, I'm the center of attention. Did I forget to mention? I'm slurring my speech because I'm off this lean. So listen, I'm just real gifted with the spitting. This is off the top, nigga, not a written. Hold up 1 second, let me hit the blunt. Listen.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm finna kill it.
I got a fat bitch. She do backflips on my mattress.
Yeah.
Then she turn around, go down, town, all around.
Get it.
She like 400 pounds.
Hey.
And she eat pound cake.
Hey.
And I rate every time I date. She eat more than me. She's hungry. Yeah, that bitch onto me. Oh. Let me. Chow, let me get it. Chow, let it. 1, 2, 3 fat bitches. They all want to get on my mattresses. I gotta have like 5 of them because I got 5 lined up with some pies and shit. That's what they doing. Fat bitches, yeah, what the fuck is you proving? If you want to eat, well, yeah, you come with me for free, but I gotta get some of that, eat, yeah. But I'll take it to the buffet. Yeah, we can just go and sit there all day. That's all you can eat, so you do what you do. I'ma just chill, and I'ma go outside.
Now she mixed it with the weed.
But she put the
Hell yeah, nigga.
You heard me? Might be that shit don't work when I mix it with weed.
Like it feel like
having me feel
Fuck, I'm Spice K, bro.
I know, like you ain't supposed to inhale
Spice K, bro.
that.
I'm Spice K. Just let you, Chocho, that's that probation weed. You feel me? He can't smoke weed, so he smokes Spice.
Me and the twin BZ going back like 4 flats on the Cadillac. Tell a bitch to get right or get left. You feel me? And I'm smoking on that stretch, nigga. You got these bitches out here. I got 30 toes down, nigga. On the concrete, breaking hoes, nigga. Breaking toes, nigga.
Tell a bitch you got some toes. The bitch got on some Uggs. Say, bitch, take off them snow boots and put on these hoe boots and get global like T-Mobile, bitch.
You feel me? Niggas is pulled up right now. Cool little 8 ounce.
Hey, am I late? Am I late?
Yeah, you're late.
We dropped the 4 and the 8 ounce.
Chocho. Spice K.
Yeah. This get right or get left. Feel me? Tell the bitch like this. Like, I'm base guy. And
if she call me R. Kelly, I'ma fuck her in the ass.
yeah,
Man. Even got lead on the blood. How is the blood wet? Hey, Chocho, here. You don't like it? Oh, probation. You don't want to go to jail?
Nope, not really. I really don't.
I like your shirt.
I'm too buff to go to jail. You feel me? I'll be in there knocking shit out.
Nah, we were talking about that.
I'm like 6'4". Like my doctor told me I was 6'4". I was 6'3" like last week though.
1.5?
Yeah.
Yeah, this nigga grew though. He talking about the length of his stash across the sea. But yeah, this is Juice. This what's this shit called right here? Not outtakes, behind the scenes. There's one thing I can do though. Yeah, you wrong. I did not tell him that. You're wrong, my nigga. Yeah. Power up! I don't give a fuck. I don't give 1 fuck, 2 fucks, 3 fucks, none. Wait, let me. Look, I'm looking for.
This what happens when you have ADHD and you don't fucking smoke weed. You jump off shit and you get hurt.
Because he can't get hurt, so he gotta hurt. That's lean, nigga. What? I'm gonna be on methazine.
Like my granny. My granny gave me this shit, nigga. I was sick. Because I am sick.
They're gonna be like, what happened to the young? I'm about to do a roll call real quick. My nigga Mike Beasley, what's the deal? Yellows all day. My bro.
DJ and Coast Tattoos, you already know the deal.
Yeah.
Tattoo for the low.
My nigga Flame. What's the deal, my nigga Chris? Vitamin C singing to all the little hoes. C notes in the pocket though. Look, now you gotta let my nigga Fat Reezy, Fat Ron. Laundry Block. My nigga Z Flockero, what's the deal? Bow. My nigga V2, DJ V2 on the ones. You feel me? I'm already knowing. Got my nigga Mike right here. If you ever need to get slow-mo, you need to make that perp on deck and get you like a turtle, and I ain't talking ninja. But anyway, CEO EMG right here. My nigga Chochi.
Hi, I'm president. I mean CEO. Something like that. Well, I don't care.
EMG.
Because I made this shit, so it's like. So what?
Nigga till she get enough if she a model body.